Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys some keyboard shortcuts I wish I knew when I started editing, and at the end of the video I'll show you how you can make your own keyboard shortcuts. Number one is I and O to mark in and mark out. Number two, Ctrl M for your export settings. Number three, like you see this clip here does not have the audio. Let's say you need the audio back, you just press F for match frame, and from here you can get back the audio. Let's say you want to ripple delete maybe this part of the video. Instead of highlighting delete, right click, ripple delete, you can just do shift delete. And the next one is on your razor tool. Let's say you want to cut across all these clips, just hold down your shift and click, then you have a cut across. Those are some of the shortcuts I wish I knew when I started editing. I still have a lot of them, but I don't want the video to be too long, so I'll stop there. And if you want a part 2, you can let me know in the comment section down below. So like I said, I'll show you guys how to create your own keyboard shortcuts. One of the things I do all the time is to make a still frame. The normal way you right click and frame hold option, there are a lot of options, but what I normally use is the playhead and OK. So instead of going through that process, you can make a keyboard shortcut. So you go to edit, keyboard shortcuts. Once you click on any key that you want to make your shortcut, you will see whatever command it does here. Just click on this little X here to delete it. Now it's empty. Look for whatever you want it to do for you. Like in my own case is the frame hold option. Then drag it on top and click OK. There you have your keyboard shortcuts. So thank you guys for watching. If the video was helpful, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye.